As you can tell by the title, we got a new bike. It's got a motor and all that. Anyways, guys, this is my YZ250f 4-stroke 2005. I'll go into some more details, but we're at the Slags right now. Pretty dope place. Hit me up if you're near Pittsburgh and you're on a ride here. It's pretty fun. Pretty good place to ride. It's kind of soggy right now, but we'll see what we can do. Anyways, 2005 YZ250f. Pretty stock aside from like bars, graphics, plastics, some of that stuff. I can't really think of anything else. Anyways, I'm loving it so far. We got the GoPro on the helmet, and so we're about to go ride around. It's a pretty loud bike. Not sure how well you guys will be able to hear me, but let's switch over to the GoPro and see what we can do. So, YZ250f 4-stroke. This is the bike that I've always wanted. I don't honestly think I'll ever get a 450 unless if it's like a dual sport or supermoto. I love this bike. Possibly would go to a newer one down the road, or might go back to a 2-stroke. Who knows, but I'm loving this bike so far. Picked it up like a couple weeks ago for $1,500. Not bad at all. It needs like some little stuff, you know, change the oil, change the plug. I already did that, but it doesn't really need anything big. I'm out here riding it. Seems fine. Probably will throw a new chain on there. It's only a little heavier than my YZ125, my last bike, but has way more power. Yeah. Sounds great. I love the way it sounds. It's really loud, so I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me while I'm riding, but I will get a mic set up pretty soon. Like, I can talk to you guys and all. Let me know if you want to see that first official ride. I've ridden it a little bit before. Anyways, let's go ride around the Slags, see what we can find, see how the bike feels. Slags are like super wet right now, but all the snow's melted, so shouldn't be a bad day of riding, especially for what is this, February? So let's go ride. I'm just in 4th chilling right now, and it just opens right up. Oh crap, there's ice under that. Oh dang. I have a feeling that doesn't go anywhere, but actually I know that doesn't go anywhere. I've ridden that before on my 85. I'm really surprised, guys. You can actually kind of hear me on the GoPro. So surprised how, like, I don't know if I wouldn't just say quiet, but like the bike just does not sound good on the GoPro. Like in person, I got the stock pipe on there. It sounds good in person, I'll be totally honest. But watching it back on the GoPro just does not make it sound good. So far, I've had a TTR 125. That was just kind of my bike that I learned how to ride on. Learned how to ride dirt bikes. I got my CR85. That thing was fun. I had it for a long time, like PA and into Delaware for a while. That thing was fast. That was a really good bike, and it's pretty cheap. I got my YZ125. It was like a good big bike. Like, I got used to bigger bikes, but it wound up blowing up on me. It never really ran great. It was actually pretty slow. It was probably slower than my 85. But now we're on the 250F, and this thing's running awesome. Hyped for this summer. Shout out to my guy Brandon. I'll like put his Instagram or something. He's got to get his KX 250 rebuilt, and we're gonna be out here. We're at the top level. Finally made it up. Found a good way. Gonna be interesting. This bike freaking goes. You just gotta like commit to stuff, and it'll go right up. hype. Made it to the top level of the slags. I've never actually been up here, even like middle of summer on my 85. I just never made it up this one climb. Anyways, we're up here. Gonna ride up here for a little bit longer, hit a couple more things at the bottom, then end off this video. There's still plenty more to ride back here once it dries up, and the YZ is gonna be fun. GoPro's starting to die, but gonna be ending this video off pretty soon. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Let me know what you want to see next. Until then, we out.